Hello, welcome again. You're watching Business Today. This is GFF Day 2 and we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Anubrata. Thank you so much. He's from Airtel Payments Bank. Thank you, sir, for speaking to us, first of all. And this is GFF 2025. I think it's better and bigger this time. So what is different with Airtel Payments Bank at this GFF? What the viewers can expect this time?
Well, firstly, it's very special and exciting for us. What we've seen is a really rising trend of consumers adopting a brand new digital banking category in India. Let me talk a little bit about that. Essentially, people over the last 18 months have become really very scared of digital frauds, and they've decided that they're not going to use their main bank account for digital payments anymore. And what we've launched today, and in particular over the last 2 weeks, with a really exciting marketing campaign called the Safe Second Account campaign, is really this concept that you need a safe second account for your daily digital payments. And people are really flocking to us, I'm delighted to say, Astha. We've actually become India's number one choice for a safe second account today.
That's very nice and lovely insight. I think we can see wherever the payment system are headed now, there are biometrics and face recognition, so many things coming in forever. So artificial intelligence also played a major role, like being in a pivotal role in a couple of years back, but now it's one of the things which are very prevalent in day-to-day lives. Also talking about Airtel Payments Bank as well, so there are launches happened today as well. So basically what's new in that and any product in the pipeline you can share with us?
Yeah, so you would have seen that we launched a set of products yesterday, including the biometric launch which we did, including the UPI launch which happened on biometric. So all the sets of launches which were done yesterday with NPCI, with the Finance Secretary, with the Deputy Governor, we were part of. We are very excited to be part of that. As you know, payment banks are part of Digital India, and all the NPCI products, Airtel Payments Bank actually participates in fully. However, and I want to build on the fact that you use the word artificial intelligence, we believe very strongly that technology must really work in the back end for consumer convenience in the front end. And I'm quite happy to say that we use a lot of machine learning intelligence at the back so that consumers can have frictionless experiences for the safe second account to be used for digital payments at the front.
Well, that's well portrayed. Also, you mentioned about Deputy Governor. He also said the same thing, that on the other hand, they are transitioning our ecosystem, but it should be at the back end just to check the background and be the security, cyber security thing is also a very important thing to be with us. Also, I want to know that the user base, which is growing very much, like can you throw in like what are your strategies in getting them on board with your product, or your strategies as compared to other brands? What make you different?
I'm quite happy to share that Airtel Payments Bank is now the third largest mobile bank in India, which means that if you define banking as people choosing to bank through their mobile phones, it's State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, and then Airtel Payments Bank in India. We've got 18 million consumers using Airtel Payments Bank to pay through their mobile phones every 60 days. Aggregated, we have 25 million monthly transacting bank account users, so it's serious scale. We do believe, however, that the safe second account opportunity itself is a 40 to 50 million opportunity in consumer India. You can imagine yourself, Astha, and your parents and your family around could actually be using one of those safe second accounts every single day.
Well, absolutely, it's a game changer. To be very honest, my father also is a user of Airtel Payments Bank, and he was a very technology, like a very bad person in technology, but now he just gives QR scanner. It's like it has changed the whole concept of payments, which is very lovely to see him also keying on board, and as soon as same as the other customers as well on board. So Anubrata, just one thing, in next year when GFF 2026, I of course there will be much more innovation as compared to this year. So what are your plans? Where will we see Airtel Payments back in GFF 2026?
I have actually one simple vision. While we talk about fintechs, the category of digital banks in India is still very nascent in India. I would like to see by 2026 the category of digital banks well established and Airtel Payment Bank being called the number one digital bank in India by the time we meet again.
Okay, well, you heard the man. With the innovation comes the customer's priority as well, and the vision is on point. We will see much more bigger picture of Airtel Payments back in GFF 2026. I hope to see you soon before the GFF 2026 so that we can be on the line where the bank is going, Airtel Payments Bank is going. Thank you so much, Anubrata, for sharing such wonderful insights with our viewers, and thank you for taking time for such hectic schedule and talking to us. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.